Hello guys, today I got you HDMI cables, very high quality, and I'm going to explain you all one by one. Okay, I will show you all this. Let me stick my mobile phone here and then I can show you all one by one. Okay, so the first one I want to show you is this red color one. The heads are made of aluminum. They're very beautiful, gold plated, and it's 2 meter and 3 meter. We got two sizes. Okay, it has got a strip also. It's made of vinyl, it's very high quality. You see the OD is very big and they are brand new and there is no problem in quality. We can guarantee and assure you the quality. We can ship it to your doorstep. We are responsible for the quality and shipping. It's 4K Ultra HD. 4K Ultra HD, UHD. You see? So this one we got 2 meter and 3 meter, two sizes in 4 HD. Okay, this is HDMI 4 HD, 4K HD, UHD. Two sizes, 2 meter and 3 meters. Now let me show you the other one. Okay, this is the second model I got in stock. It has got green insert connectors, also made of aluminum, gold plated, very high quality. And this one got a flat cable, flat wire, flat lead, and the other one got round. This one is round and this one is flat. It has got two colors. One is gray and black. Later I'm going to post its pictures so you can see them clearly as well, but I just want to show you in live streaming so you can see the quality. It's very high quality, very heavy duty. It's also 4K Ultra HD. Okay, we got one size in this, only 3 meters. Got only one size, 3 meters, two different colors, black and gray. Right, now let me show you the third one. This one is silver, only got 2 meter, but it's not a big quantity. We got just few hundred in this. It's also gold plated and aluminum connectors, very high quality. You will love this quality. And the OD is bigger than all cables I got, the all around here. This OD, this is even heavier and better quality than the first one I showed you. This OD is slightly smaller than this one, the black one. Okay, and this one I got 2 meter, 350 pieces only. For prices, you can contact me privately, send me a message and I will send you the prices. Okay, and the stock is in Shenzhen, China. I can deliver it to any country you want. We can send to UK, we can send to Europe, we can send to USA. We can deliver door to door. You don't have to pay any tax. The goods will be delivered to your doorstep. Okay, I got the last one. This one is 8K. This one is 8K. and the others I showed you were all 4K. This is traditional 4K, but this one is the latest one, which is 8K. All right, and this OD is also very big, and the quality is very high. It's a very high quality build. It's a very strong, and it got aluminum connectors. Right, it got aluminum connectors, and I've got this 3 meters, 3 meter and 1 meter. I've got 3 meter 5,400 and 1 meter 2,300. Later on, if you want exact quantity, I will let you know how many we got in each sizes. But this one is a huge quantity, and the prices are amazing. If you know the prices, I'm sure you will get all of them, and I will give you the prices. If you DM me, send me a private message, I will send you the prices. Okay, this one is 8K. All right, see, let me just open it for you. So this is 1 meter. Okay, this one is 1 meter only, but we got 3 meters in same quality. We got 1 meter and 3 meter in this at 8K. Right? It has got silver cutting, silver edge on the top here. You can see that. Gold plated. It has got grip when you're inserting into the port, right? So these are 8K aluminum connectors with gold plated 1 meter and 3 meter, right? I will share the prices and quantity if you're interested. Later, I'm going to show you more items, okay? Stay tuned. Goodbye.